But where they were the last night, man. So what me tell you now what go on last night, cargo dance. The reggae artist Ginjah was sing never last anyway. Back gun for me last night.
Fresh drop.
So me make sure I go report him at station. Then me I go take a trip come America, come lodge a report for him. Back gun for me last night, cargo dance. Yeah, man. Me tell her reggae music corrupt more than dancehall music. Yes. Ginjah was sing never last me way. Back gun for me last night. Me just I use 10 minutes and tell you what go on. Honestly, the two-time rhythm I cause more problem, more than what Satan himself can manage. God if you call me and beg me, please. If you have a next rhythm, please, give me my voice, my artist. I say, who are your artist? He said, Ginjah. I said, Ginjah, my artist, man. What you mean, man? I make somebody say, I jump in on my phone. And I send God for the rhythm we spot me I work on now. Because I say, I put out the next juggling. See, God for 3-way Ginjah, same time. And Ginjah come on the phone. And as he come on the phone, he start, boy, cargo, you see reggae music. If I never you and me, I say, calm down, God. You see reggae music because enough this me send go to Jamaica go give boom boom them TV and plasma and this and that and stone love them array and then style me and this me take on me millions. And I say calm down, brother. Too much information that right now. You have the rhythm, vice for the rhythm, but don't leak me rhythm. Please don't leak me rhythm, brother. Me I surprise the fans them with a brand new one job. And in a 2 days time, Ginjah vice for me rhythm. And plaster me rhythm all over social media. See? And me talk about it to them. Me black Gaddafi first. Because me I say, brother, I disrespect you make your artist disrespect me, you know. Because he wouldn't do that to Dan Carleon, you know. That is the exact word what me say, you know. He would not do that to Dan Carleon or Flavor McGregor, them brother. See? So me black him. Ginjah called me now and apologize, brother. Me understand what Ginjah said. Me know him disrespect me, you know, but me understand. Because his song is a bad song, and you never know. It can blow up and bust him, and even bust me bigger as a producer, brother. Because the 2-time, me vice for the 2-time, I never really my own. So me cannot fight the next man with the same thing when me I run from. The same fighter me I get, me can't give Ginjah that. So okay. Ginjah apologize. Day before yesterday again, one next new youth link me again. Have up me rhythm on social media again. I said, Gaddafi, give me rhythm for vice span. So me send Ginjah one voice note and I say, yo, you see how Ray Gaddafi. Remember Gaddafi, a producer who used to produce Ginjah them and the whole of them are merciless, you know. So he know said you cannot leak a producer rhythm, brother. A producer give you a rhythm. If your vice span, you send him the vocal and just wait until he release the song. You know, so we go with the last night. This is what happened last night. Me, Aloziad, Angel, Gangouli, Chris Owell, G Wiz, Mr. Easy. All of we did with the last night. We perform and we nice up the place. Sizzla Colonji around there, enjoy himself. Me now, go back in America corner, we spot me the day before me perform. I want you to come. Yo, Ginjah want to talk to you. Remember me black Ginjah, me black Gaddafi, you know. Yo, Ginjah want to talk to you. I know town man badness, town man craft for they use intimidation tactics. It is not a humble Ginjah want to talk to you. It is an aggressive one, brother. So me know me not with them because if I'm done with them, I just done with them, brother. Vice and promote us and yourself, brother. Me don't care about what you want to do. So me walk over to Angel and say, yo, Angel, me I leave now. By the time I walk out again, at the same youth that come, brother, grab and put me again, yo, Ginjah want to talk to you. So he makes so, and give me a phone. And Ginjah in bed, with a big gun in my hand, and point up in my face, so. Ginjah, with a big matic. And through the noise, the stone of sound I play, me can't hear what I say. I point up a big fat matic in my face. Ginjah. The same one them where you see sing be reggae music and I tell you say them is God in flesh. Me no do this guy nothing away from blacking and I deal with him and a gun him point up in my face. Ginjah, me already report you out to already. You are going to see how America police deal with you. I tell everybody I said, no go so. Ginjah, your gunman friend who's part, you make come pull me up last night. I think the people don't know who. People know him. Everybody will know that man say, Kagwa, lucky he never kill you. I said, Ginjah said him come to kill me last night. Ginjah, you will never live down this as long as you live in a reggae music. As long as you live in a reggae music, Ginjah, you will never, ever live down this what you just do to me. You hear? You will never, ever live down what you make happen last night. Brother, people of Chicago, you missed death by the skin of your teeth last night. Because I killed Ginjah, said the man for kill you. You are not nobody. You are wicked, you Ginjah. You are not hide back a lax. You are not nobody. And that's why as long as life lasts, Movado and Vibes Cartel them will always be, because people know see where you see you get with Vibes Cartel them. And where you see you cartel them. And where you see you get with. You hear?